Whoa, what's up? It's Nash Trade in the building, and in today's short clip, we're just gonna be running over my S&P 500 trade and my gold trade that I took earlier today. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right. So on S&P 500, I like the way that it had set itself up, and it looked to me. Price had this 10-minute this 10-minute supply area that it had came and tapped into, and I like the way that it rejected. So at first, to me, price was making an evening star candlestick pattern, which was perfect, that it tapped the supply and then it started creating that pattern. However, price wasn't done with the supply area taps. It wanted to fill in this a little bit of this gap right here, and it wanted to catch the rest of the supply area up here, which it did. So it stopped me out completely, went up to the supply area to tap into it, and then it immediately dropped to my TP. And that was that trade. I lost $143 on that trade. I wasn't mad or anything. I was actually focused. Sometimes you come in the market, you may take a small L, but that L prepared me for this big L on gold. So we go and look at gold. Gold was already buying up since last night. It gapped that open, made this bullish flag pattern, and then it went up. And a lot of people get skeptical on gold when it rides up too high, and I understand that. But if price is showing a continuation pattern, if it's showing a continuation trend, it's no doubt that you should get in with the trend, right? So price was showing a continuation trend. Price had came right here, it made a higher high right there, made a higher low, higher high, and then a higher low. So when price created this higher low inside of this 15-minute demand area, I decided to get in because price had already perfectly set me up to take this trade. I liked the way it looked. It was textbook, and it created this bullish pin bar candlestick coming off of this 15-minute demand area. And then to add a little bit of cherry on top, because I normally don't use my Fibonacci, but I pull it out if I just need to see something real quick. And I saw something real quick, right? Price that came into the 61.8%, tapped it, and it tapped the 15-minute demand. So I had no choice but to get in. And from there, price went straight bullish, no pullback, no drawdown, no nothing, right? And this trade totaled $516. So this win minus the loss I took on S&P 500, which was 142.50, but I decided to round it up to 143. So I lost $142.50 on S&P 500, and I won $516 on gold, which brings me for a total profit on a day, which is $373.50. And I hope you guys enjoyed this mini breakdown, and we go again tomorrow. See y'all later.